I love the amount of room we have in this Tesla. We have so many areas for storage, it's crazy. But come here and take a look in here. This is the problem. It's not very well organized. I mean, everything's just kind of everywhere. There's plenty of room, but it's not well organized. Foronetry just sent us some organization for our lower console, as well as some mats for the charger, and some mats in here for the cup holder, and even a little privacy slide for the camera here. We're going to check this out, see how easy it is to put in, and see what it looks like when we're done. We've got the liners here that go in the back and the front, so that protects your door. There's the front one. That's really nice, just a nice liner there to protect the door. So check out this little guy here. So you've got your camera, it's just a little privacy. So if you want to get a bow chicka bow wow on, you can cover that little camera up or open it. We've got down here a mat for the charger. So this is just like a felt suede kind of deal. So this goes over, and it also keeps your phone from getting super hot, which has been a problem with this. So we open here. So this is your front storage area. This tray, and it's nicely partitioned. And then that opens up the rest down at the bottom. So you have plenty of room for all your stuff. This portion also slides back and forth so you can get into what's underneath there. Nice liner here for your cup holder to keep everything clean and everything in place. Here's a tray for the rear storage compartment in the lower console. It's nicely partitioned out. And then you of course have all the space underneath. It's got a little holder here, like if you wanted to put your sunglasses or something like that, and it keeps everything all separated. This is the part that I think is really cool, is this secret compartment storage that mounts right here on the lid. Boom. Boom. So that's pretty cool. You can just kind of, you could put documents, or you could put money or whatever into there. So really opens up a lot of opportunity where there was wasted space. I thought Foronetry did a great job on this. They also provided this really slick under the seat storage. Next, we're going to show you what it looks like when we have all our junk back in here. So we have everything in now, and you saw that we had a big pile. All right, so that's just the top. Go underneath, we got more. We'll close that back up. Come up top, we got our money. There's the top storage in the back, and you can see that they got a little hole here so the charger can work its way through. And underneath. So it definitely cleaned and organized all this up very nice.
Are you interested in a center console organizer for your Model Y? How about a door side storage box with a full wrap pocket liner? If you are, click the links below or check for links in the description. Also, if you enjoy these Tesla videos, click the link above for more Tesla adventures.